Hello friends, one of my students asked if we take a tank of water from ground to certain height. I have explained that the potential energy of that increase as the height from the ground is increased. Then his question was, why can't that energy be converted into heat, and when the height is changed, simultaneously it will start be warming or may also be boiling. Another student asked that whenever we climb a hill, though the height is increasing, we are not experiencing that our we are gaining energy. On the contrary, we are losing energy, and we are experiencing that we are getting tired, that is, energy is being exhausted from our body. To be very clear from the beginning, today's video is not offering any solution to this question, and the only purpose of this video is to frame the question more systematically. Let us consider this scenario. I am holding a body which is having mass m kg and height of this, or whatever this may be, a hill or whatever it may be, the height is h kilometers. Now if I am climbing this mountain till here, if I am climbing this height till here, what is the work done? You are very familiar with this example because in most of my classes I am taking up this example, right? W is equal to mgh. Simple. Mg is the force with which the earth pulls. Mg is the force with which the earth pulls the body down, and against that force I am rising it to one height h. That's why mgh is the work done. Now the question is, work done is a form of energy, and who is spending that energy, or who is doing the work? I am lifting it from this level to height h, so I am doing the work, right? So the work done mgh, when it is taken here, let us say I have taken it to this height, and when the body of a mass m is taken here, then mgh work has been done by me, and that mgh work has been stored in the body as potential energy. What is the proof? If this is just released from here, I need not do any work, automatically that will come to the ground. That means mgh work which was stored and we called that potential energy, that is doing the work, and automatically that will come to the ground. Means that much work which was stored as potential energy will be exhausted again. That's a proof that the potential energy of the body at this height is equal to mgh. Fine. Now the thing is, I am doing the work. That means this amount of energy is being exhausted from me, and that much of energy, if when I am stored here, the mgh energy is exhausted from me. From me it is transferred to the body, which is stored as the potential energy. That is the reason the total energy is being conserved. That means it is in accordance with the law of conservation of energy. So if we'll consider this entire thing, taking me and the body together, taking me and this body together as one system, we can say that the total energy of the system is conserved. Now, if I am not carrying any mass, okay, and if I am carrying some mass and taking to this height, it is evident as per my experience also, I become tired. That means I am doing some work, and that work is being exhausted from my body as the energy. That's very clear to understand till now. Now, if I don't carry any mass and I climb a certain height, now what is the work done, if I ask? See, if you are very correct the calculation, there is a mass of me also, right? So I am lifting my own body. That is exactly like that only, right? So mgh work, if my mass is m, then see, the thing is, when I am also climbing certain height, I become very tired, right? Okay, so the energy is being spent for me, for my body, even if I am not carrying a load, because all the time I am carrying my own body, right? So when you are taking, I am just climbing from here to here, mgh work has been done, right? So exactly same logic, mgh will be the work stored in the body, and that is called potential energy. What is the proof? If I have covered this much height, what is the proof that the potential energy stored in the body is mgh? If I jump from here, I will fall. Nobody has to do any work. I also need not do any work. My body will simply fall all the work. So exactly same logic. That means the from here to here, if I have climbed from here to here, mgh energy has been stored in the body, but I feel the exhaustion, I become tired, right? That means I do the work. So if I am standing here, the energy is stored in the body, but what I am experiencing, I have spent energy to do the work, right? Energy stored in the body, that means the body gains energy and I lose the energy. Let me pen it down on the board. The body gains energy and I lose the equal amount of energy. I lose energy, I am writing. If the body, that is my body, and generally I call this to be me, right? So the body gains energy and I lose energy. You compare in the previous case, I was doing the work and that work was stored in the object. So I could not be the object, right? It was clearly understood. If I am taking a bucket of water and I am taking it here, how much work is done? I am doing the work and the energy is stored in the bucket. And clearly I can say that I am not the bucket. That's why I am doing the energy is spent from me but is stored in the bucket. Now when I just climb myself, then what happens? The body gains energy and I lose energy. So this raises the question, where I am located in the body. If I do the energy, I lose energy and the body gains energy, means I am something different from the body, right? Or even if in the body, till from our childhood what we have understood that I am in the body. So where am I? The body gains energy and I lose energy. That is a clear cut implication that I am not the body. Then where am I? Isn't this a physics question?
Now it is time for activity. Spend some time with the question and then try to express your understanding on paper in less than 200 words. The question: mass of my body is m, acceleration due to gravity is equal to g, height of the tower is equal to h, calculate the work done by me and the energy gained by my body. When I climb certain height, I lose energy while my body gains energy, which clearly implies that I am not my body. Then, where am I?